What's going on?
Well, I gotta put a little freon in this unit again. This is our 1.5-year-old Marinaire air conditioner. Obviously got a freon leak, and I have to keep juicing it up every now and then. Now, traditionally it's a small system, so you would not just put a little into it, but the proper way is to pull a vacuum on the system completely and weigh it, but right. So I'm going to just put a little juice into a unit that's only 1.5 years old for the 3rd time. And that'll be that. I got some super fancy tools. I have digital gauges. This particular set doesn't have a screen, so you use your phone. You know, select my refrigerant type, which is not really going to matter too much because I'm going to just put a squirt in it. Too many crickets, there's too many. 410. Select the probe. That's not, we're not connected, that's just what's trapped in the hoses.
Okay.
That's the service port.
Service port.
That should be like 120, and I'm showing like 50.
Yeah, is that, which one's high pressure?
That's low pressure.
Low pressure.
That's high pressure.
High.
I'm showing 27 PSI. Well, I just put some in, so now I'm showing way more.
Which one are you looking at?
Well, I need this one to come up, but this one should be around 350.
Okay.
If it starts going higher, then our condenser may be clogged. Well, this hose is like almost collapsed. You see it's kind of kinking.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to do something with that.
So troubleshooting 101. AC.
Hashtag disappointment.
Hose is also kinked, which could be giving us a water flow problem.
I'll give you a pro tip. Pro tip.
Yes.
Take your hand and just put it on the coil. Cold, cool, warm.
Yeah.
Definitely not charged up. It should be cold all the way to the top. It doesn't work with all refrigerants, but this one it does.
Okay.
And you get a little squirt, just a little squirt. Just.
Yeah.
This doesn't hold a lot of freon. It holds ounces. It's a tiny amount. You see, now I'm over 400.
And that's where you want it? That one to be? Oh, you want it.
This one needs to be like 130. And we're only at 112. That means we have low water flow. Super cold. Cool. Getting colder.
So it's getting better?
Yeah, you gotta wait. Little shot. Wait. Don't keep going.
That was just a little bit.
Just a little bit. That's it.
Is it working now?
Yep.
Yeah.
We got the garden hose here.
Yeah.
Just gonna spray the coil off.
I see the back of your head.
Well, the good thing is the floor was rotted when we got the boat, so I made the floor out of starboard, so that little bit of water is not going to hurt anything. The floor is made out of starboard.
Okay.
It's plastic. Mic out.
All right, that was it. AC unit serviced.